हाय, आई एम संतोष पुजारी। मेरा चैनल का नाम है मैथ्स गुरु संतोष पुजारी सर। 10th स्टैंडर्ड सर्कल सीबीएसई पैटर्न। क्वेश्चन नंबर 11, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. To prove quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus, proof. So first write down in given information, quadrilateral ABCD is a parallelogram. What is the property of parallelogram? Parallelogram opposite sides are equal. Okay, so AB equal to DC, equation 1, bracket mention opposite side. AD equal to BC, equation 2, opposite side. And then length of tangents drawn from external point to a circle are equal. So this is theorem. AP equal to AS, PB equal to BQ, CR into CQ, DR equal to DS. So equation 3rd, equation 4th, equation 5th, equation 6. So adding equation 3, 4, 5, 6. Sum of left hand side, sum of right hand side. So AP plus PB, you can take the near. AP plus PB, look this, AP plus PB means AB, long length, AP plus PB, adding long length AP. Similarly, CR plus DR, long length CD. AS plus DS, AD. BQ plus CQ, BC. So look, equation 1 and 2, opposite sides are equal in this quadrilateral. So CD replace AB, BC replace AD. So 2 times AB, 2 times AD. Left hand side coefficient is 2, right hand side coefficient is 2. So divide by 2. 2 to cancel, AB equal to AD. Similarly, BC equal to CD. So all sides are equal. AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD. So quadrilateral ABCD is a rhombus. Understand? This question is 4 marks. Important questions. Okay. Hi friends. Question number 12. Circle. Triangle is given in triangle ABC. So O is center of circle. This triangle radius is given 4 cm. CD 6 cm. BD 8 cm. To find side AB. Second, to find side AC. Proof in triangle ABC. CF equal to CD. CF equal to CD 6 cm. BE equal to BD 8 cm. Bracket mention tangent exterior point C and point B. Next, AE equal to AF Y, let tangent exterior point A. AB equal to AE plus BE. AE Y, AE क्या है Y, B 8. BC CD plus BD, between C dash D dash B, C dash D dash B. 6 plus 8, 14. So BC equal to 14. AC AF plus FC. AF Y, FC 6. Next, perimeter. Semi-perimeter is equal to sum of all sides upon 2. AB plus BC plus AC upon 2. 2 is divided, then goes to multiply. So 2A equal to AB plus BC plus AC. AB Y plus 8, put on this value. BC 14, AC Y plus 6. Y is 2 times 8 plus 14 plus 6, total 28. So all number is even number. So divide by 2. 2 to cancel, S is equal to Y plus 14. You know Heron's formula. area of triangle ABC is equal to S bracket minus S minus A, first bracket complete, second S minus B, second bracket complete, third S minus C. S means semi perimeter, Y plus 14. S means semi perimeter. Understand? A means 14, B means 6 plus Y, C means 8 plus Y. 14 plus 14 minus 14 cancel, remaining Y. Y cancel. 14 minus 6, remaining 8. Y cancel. 14 minus 8, remaining 6. Factorize 8 factor 4 into 2, 6 factor 2 into 3, 4 which number square root 2, pair 2 2. So 2 is one time write down, remaining part is bracket write down as it is, and here 3. Okay, so this is value of area of triangles, you know. Next, area of triangle, small triangle OBC. OBC, area of triangle OBC equal to half into base into height. Okay, this is area of right angle triangles formula. BC 14, 6 plus 8, 6 plus 8, 14. And height OD, actually this is radius is 4 centimeter. 2 divided 4, your answer is 2. 14 to the 28. Second triangle, area of triangle OCA. OCA, AC is base and OF is height. So put down the value, y plus 6 AC and height means radius 4 centimeter. 2 divided by 4, your answer is 2. Okay, triangle, area of triangle OCA is equal to 2y plus 12. So another triangle, you can, area of triangle AOB. AOB, 1/2 base AB into height OE. AB y plus 8, OE radius 2 divided by 4, your answer is 2. 2 into y, 2y. This relation is multiplication. 2 8s are 16. Area of triangle, bigger triangles, area of triangle ABC is equal to sum of remaining all triangles. Area of triangle OBC plus area of triangle OCA plus area of triangle OAB. Okay, so all values substitute down. Next, area of triangles value put down. 28, 2y plus 12, 2y plus 16. So sum of first number, like terms taken here, simple. 28 plus 12 plus 16. 2y plus 2y, 2y plus 2y, 4y. 28 plus 12 plus 16, total 56. All number divided by 4. 4 cancel, remaining part write down. 4 divided 56, your answer is 14. 4 divided 4y, 4 cancel, remaining y. Both sides square, taking both sides square, not square root. So root is cancelled, and here right hand side take the whole bracket square. 3 multiply this bracket, 3 into y square, 3y square, 3 into 14y, 42y. Assume this is A, this is B. Are you remember A plus B bracket square? A square plus 2AB plus B square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. 40 square 196. 2 into 14 into y, total 28y. Y square as it is. Okay. So left hand side 3y square. First write down. Plus y square goes to left hand side minus y square. 42y as it is. Right hand side 28y goes to left side minus 28y. Right side 196 goes to left hand side minus 196. So here subtraction remaining 2y square, subtraction remaining plus 14y, minus 28y minus 196 as it is. All number is even number, so divide by 2. This is easy quadratic equation. So factorize the middle term. You know, last number multiply first number into last number, multiply minus 98. Addition plus 7, search two number, plus 14 and minus 7. So this both number write in between. First number as it is, last number as it is. Take the common, y is common. Common means separate divided. Y divided y square, answer remaining y. So this value write in bracket. plus y divided 14y. Y cancel, remaining 14. Say minus 7 is common. Minus minus plus, remaining 1. This value write in bracket. Minus minus plus 7 divided 98, answer 14. These two brackets are equal. One time write down. And this y minus 7 write in separate bracket. Second bracket. Here y plus 14. So first bracket equal to 0. Y plus 14 equal to 0. And second bracket equal to 0. 14 plus 14 goes to right side, minus 14. This value is negative form. So y, this value negative, so not accepted. And minus 7 goes to right hand side, plus 7. Okay. So side AB first. AB. AB means y plus 8. Y 7. 7 plus 8, 15. So AB, side AB is equal to 15 centimeter. Another side AC. 6 plus 1. Y's value put down 7. 6 plus 7, 13 centimeter. Okay.